लोकल बात, लोकल टैलेंट, लोकल स्वैग 95 बिग एफएम पर हर शाम बड़ी बड़ी बात आरजे एडी के साथ।
A very good evening to all of you 95 Big FM आप लोगों ने ट्यून किया। This is me RJ Addy लेकर बड़ी बड़ी बात एडी के साथ and right now I'm in conversation with Mr. Krishna Gopalan, MD Vice President of SCOL International India and member of SCOL Pune. And they are organizing city's first ever cyclothon Pedal for a Purpose और उसी के बारे में आज हम बात करने वाले हैं। Sir, welcome to Big FM.
My name is Krishna Gopalan. I am the Vice President for SCOL International India and a member of SCOL Pune.
Okay, sir. Can you tell us about this upcoming event and how you started it? What is the inspiration behind it?
SCOL is basically a worldwide organization which is for the hospitality, travel, tourism industry. Founded in 1934 in Paris. Currently, we have about 300 chapters in about 75 countries. Approximately about 12,500 members across the globe. And one of the chapters is Pune. And Pune SCOL has about 60 odd members as on today. And very active club. And the inspiration, the team got together basically and they wanted to do something for the members in a very different way. And that's how the idea of Cyclothon was born. Wherein we thought about touching on the social, the issues which are related to environment, traffic, and at the same time we do a small 10-kilometer ride which good for the health kind of a thing. So that's what the entire idea of cyclothon is.
Thank you so much sir for your valuable time. बहुत सी बातें अभी जानना बाकी हैं सर से, सो कहीं मत जाइए. Stay tuned to 95 Big FM. एडी आपके साथ धन बदल के तो देखो.
बड़ी बड़ी बातें करता हूँ और वड़ा पाव भी खाता हूँ एक्स्ट्रा चटनी मार के. तो सुनना मत भूलना बड़ी बड़ी बात विद आरजे एडी. हर शाम 5 से 9 बजे ओनली ऑन 95 बिग एफएम. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड फेसबुक एज आरजे एडी ऑफिशियल. दैट इज RJADDY ऑफिशियल.
लोकल बात, लोकल टैलेंट, लोकल स्वैग 95 बिग एफएम पर हर शाम बड़ी बड़ी बात आरजे एडी के साथ.
A very good evening to all of you 95 Big FM आप लोगों ने ट्यून किया. This is me RJ Addy लेकर बड़ी बड़ी बात एडी के साथ and right now I'm in conversation with Mr. Krishna Gopalan, MD Vice President of SCOL International India and member of SCOL Pune. And they are organizing city's first ever cyclothon Pedal for a Purpose और उसी के बारे में आज हम बात करने वाले हैं. Sir, welcome to Big FM.
My name is Krishna Gopalan. I am the Vice President for SCOL International India and a member of SCOL Pune.
So my next question is, what kind of response we are getting from the public regarding this amazing cyclothon event?
Basically, this event which we have started this year is looking at the only aiming at the industry members, that is from the hospitality, travel, tourism members. So far, we have a very good response. In fact, it has gone beyond our expectation in terms of the riders. And we do have non-riders, whereas a lot of other activities are planned for them on the 22nd of September. The event will be flagged off from Fern Amanora in Amanora town. And the riders will do a 10-kilometer route. That is, they will come onto the Mundua Road, cross the Mundua Bridge, and they will have a first stop. There they will take a pledge on, let's say, the first pledge will be on the environment, where they will pledge that they will plant 5 trees in a year, that take refreshment and then move forward. The second stop is the turnaround point at Radisson Blu. Radisson Blu has partnered with us. And the second point, we will be having another pledge by the riders, which will be using less of plastic in their day-to-day life. And again, they can take rest there and they will proceed towards the third point, which is Manipal Hospital, which is on the route back to Fern Amanora. At the third point, they will take a pledge that they will follow the traffic rules and obey all the traffic rules in Pune. Again, after a stop over there, they will come back to the starting point at Fern Amanora. And at that time, when they come back at Fern Amanora, non-riders like family members, friends, children who have come along with them, when they are riding, there will be a lot of entertainment for them. They will be kept entertained. And once the riders are back, There will be a celebration, there will be the awards function, and there will be more entertainment, a lavish breakfast, and we hope this Sunday, that is 22nd of September, will be a memorable one for the entire travel hospitality fraternity.
थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम. बहुत सी बातें अभी जानना बाकी हैं सर से, सो कहीं मत जाइए. स्टे ट्यून टू 95 बिग एफएम. एडी आपके साथ. धन बदल के तो देखो.
बड़ी बड़ी बातें करता हूँ और वड़ा पाव भी खाता हूँ एक्स्ट्रा चटनी मार के. तो सुनना मत भूलना बड़ी बड़ी बात विद आरजे एडी. हर शाम 5 से 9 बजे ओनली ऑन 95 बिग एफएम. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड फेसबुक एज आरजे एडी ऑफिशियल. दैट इज RJADD बॉय ऑफिशियल.
लोकल बात, लोकल टैलेंट, लोकल स्वैग 95 बिग एफएम पर हर शाम बड़ी बड़ी बात आरजे एडी के साथ.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. 95 बिग एफएम आप लोगों ने ट्यून किया. दिस इज मी आरजे एडी लेकर बड़ी बड़ी बात एडी के साथ. एंड राइट नाउ आई एम इन कॉन्वर्सेशन विद मिस्टर कृष्णा गोपालन, MD, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ स्कॉल इंटरनेशनल इंडिया एंड मेंबर ऑफ स्कॉल पुणे. And they are organizing city's first ever cyclothon, Pedal for a Purpose. और उसी के बारे में आज हम बात करने वाले हैं. सर, वेलकम टू बिग एफएम.
My name is Krishna Gopalan. I am the Vice President for SCOL International India and a member of SCOL Pune.
Okay, sir. So my last question is how to register for this upcoming event, as everybody is so excited to participate.
There is a link, but unfortunately the link has been deactivated. The registrations were open only till 14th of September. So right now we have only opened the registration for non-riders, those who want to participate in the event but are not as a rider but a non-rider, to enjoy the various activities and entertainment and a lavish breakfast. They can still do that, and there is a Townscript link which is there, which can be given to anybody who calls us.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. आपने अपना अमूल्य वक्त हमें दिया, बहुत सी इन्फॉर्मेशन हमारे साथ शेयर की, एंड वी आर सो एक्साइटेड टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस अमेजिंग साइक्लोथॉन. 95 बिग एफएम, आरजे एडी आपके साथ. धुन बदल के तो देखो.
बड़ी बड़ी बातें करता हूँ और वड़ा पाव भी खाता हूँ एक्स्ट्रा चटनी मार के. तो सुनना मत भूलना बड़ी बड़ी बात विद आरजे एडी. हर शाम 5 से 9 बजे ओनली ऑन 95 बिग एफएम. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड फेसबुक एज RJADD ऑफिशियल. दैट इज RJADD बॉय ऑफिशियल.